Imagine your investment journey as a roller coaster ride. One moment, you're at the peak, enjoying the view, feeling on top of the world as your retirement accounts swell. The next, you're plunging into the depths of market volatility, your stomach in knots, your emotions in a tailspin. It's a familiar scene. Greed takes over as the market climbs, urging you to push your luck. Then fear sets in during a downturn, tempting you to hit the panic button and sell off your investments prematurely. But what if you could navigate this roller coaster with a safety harness, ensuring you remain seated and secure no matter the market's ups and downs? Enter Market Guard. This isn't just another investment strategy. It's your ticket to a smoother ride. Market Guard employs a non-emotional, mathematical approach to monitor your investment positions continuously, signaling when to hold, when to sell, and when to buy back in. With Market Guard, you're equipped with an investment plan that prepares you for every twist and turn, a diversified portfolio that spreads out the risk like a well-designed amusement park, a clear understanding of your risk tolerance, backed by solid market data so you always know which rides suit you best. The journey to financial freedom doesn't have to be a nail-biting roller coaster ride. With the right strategy and a calm, calculated approach, you can enjoy the thrills without the chills. Ready to change how you experience the investment roller coaster? It's time to get Market Guard on your side. Call Richard Trabue at Concha Financial today at 678-539-9518, and let's turn those financial loops into smooth, forward momentum towards your goals. Your future self will thank you for choosing a ride that's not only exhilarating, but also secure. Call now, and let's embark on this journey together.